Would you like to make wonton soup that tastes even better than takeout? Check out this video for the perfect wonton soup recipe. When you boil wontons at home, do they fall apart easily? Let me share with you all my tips and tricks. It's a game changer. In a bowl, add the scallions and ginger. Pour in the warm water and mix until the scallions and ginger release their liquid. Remove the scallions and ginger. This infused water will make our wontons super juicy and aromatic. In a large mixing bowl, add the ground pork and salt. Mix until the pork has fully absorbed the salt. Add the white pepper, soy sauce, oyster sauce, Shaoxing wine, and cornstarch. Pour in about half of the infused water and mix well. Then pour in the rest of the infused water and mix again. Add the scallions and combine everything together. Many people are asking where to buy wonton wrappers. They're available in most Chinese supermarkets. We're using square wonton wrappers today. Tap some water around the edges of the wrapper. Place about a teaspoon of the filling in the center. Bring one opposite corner together. Pinch and seal the rest. Repeat with the rest. I love to fill wontons in different ways, so my daughters are usually very excited to find out what is on their plate. To check out all these amazing ways you can fill wontons, click on the video right here. In a pot over high heat, pour the homemade chicken stock inside and bring it to a boil. Season it with salt, soy sauce, sesame oil, and white pepper. You could add more or less seasonings based on your preference. In a pot over high heat, bring water to a boil. Place the Shanghai bok choy in it and blanch for about 30 seconds. Remove. In the pot over high heat, bring water to a boil. Add the wontons inside. Stir gently and boil for about 2 minutes. Here's an important cooking trick. We're going to pour about 1 cup of water into the pot to prevent the wontons from breaking apart before fully cooked through. Cook the wontons for another 2 minutes until translucent and completely cooked through. In a bowl, scoop the wontons in it. Add the soup and Shanghai bok choy. This is absolutely delicious. The filling is so juicy and aromatic, 100% better than any takeout place. So please comment below and share with me what is your favorite filling for wontons. And subscribe, follow, and like for more easy to follow Asian recipes. I'll see you again soon. Bye!